Alright, my wife just dropped her makeup. We're going to try something on the floor to get the stains out. If you ever had light carpet, you understand that it's hard to get stains out. So, our company got this called Soil You Mail. Now, you can get this on Just Smells So Good. You can get it from me, independent. I can see you, talk to you. And what I'm doing is spraying the product on here. So I'm following directions. I'm spraying it. Now, as I spray it, I notice it's kind of disappearing as I spray it. And now this is our first time using this product too. So let's see how it goes. It seems like it's clearing it up. Getting down to deep stains, and we don't have to call a stain person, a carpet cleaner, to clear out the stains. So let's see how that works. I'm spraying it now. I'm hitting it right in the spots to make sure. Now, we're going to see how this works. We're going to let it sit for a minute. Now, while I'm sitting letting it sit for a minute, I'll talk to you about Just Smells So Good product. We sell all just different types of products: essential oils, fragrances, body oils, natural products, detergents, and more. But this what happened today. It happened because you dropped the makeup. And this is a light carpet, so we have to make sure it works. So this is the first try of Soil You Mail. And if this works, and I'm sure it will, we'll be selling this product to you or anyone who wants to clean a carpet and make sure it's clean and had dog stains, pet stains. And it's got, all kinds of stains. Now this product really does smell really good. So here I am. Right here, I'm gonna push into it. Wow. Look at this, y'all. And this is a natural product. Watch this. Wow. Oh my goodness. And it's cleaning it too. Watch. Get a little closer, get down to the nitty gritty of this. Oh my goodness. Come on, y'all. Come on. We've used other products and it doesn't do that well at all. And we're selling a natural product that's working. And we need it. Oh my goodness. Look at that carpet. Look at that, man. See, if you want to get into business, start making money with essential oils, fragrance body oils, all just natural products, this small investment of $250 to start making money and networking with like-minded people who want you to be huge. Watch that.
Hold on, let me wet it some more in the middle.
To be huge. Now we're gonna
look.
You put that stuff down, man.
I mean, that's crazy.
Look, man, we just spraying it directly on there.
Right here.
I'm gonna let you clean it on now. Shoot. It's trying to work for me, man. This is huge. So you can get this product on justsmellsogood.com or, our other places that sell our products. You can get air freshener, you can get body oils, essential oils. You can make some money, become huge, and helping other people who help them solve a problem. And we use this product on our floors today. You watch this. It evaporated. Hey, Grant, don't do that.
I can't say hey?
No, they hear you. They hear you saying hey. So this is going to help this evaporate. And this boy, my son, he wants to be famous now. He said, I want to be famous. He didn't say he want to make money. He said he want to be famous.
I do
I
want
don't
to
want
make
to.
money.
I don't want to be famous. I want to make money.
I want to make money too.
But I want to make sure this floor clean. And I want you to make money as well. Famous is this is something that people want to think they're making money being famous. Ooh, look at that. I'm gonna let it sit a little bit longer. It don't take that long. The floor is a little bit damp, but not too damp, but you know. And it smells good. It takes out the order too, man. So go to justsmellsogood.com. Let me know. Do you want to join the business? Do you want this product? You know, becoming a member, you're going to be a member with me. And, you know, start your own business today. Hey, we just had a problem. I thought I'd shoot a video about it. And I hope this solves your problem as well. If you need to clean your floor. This is justsmellsogood.com. And I'll holler back. Peace.